Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Presenting a blouse that blends timeless elegance with modern sophistication, crafted with a delicate detailing. This blouse features a beautifully tailored silhouette that flatters every body shape. The fabric feels soft against the skin, offering a graceful drape that moves effortlessly with every step. Intricate stitching, refined buttons, and thoughtfully designer patterns elevate its charms, making it suitable for both casual outings and special occasions, whether paired with the trousers, skirts, or delicate traditional wear. This blouse adds a touch of class and femininity to any outfit. Soft, breathable, and impeccably finished, it is perfect for choice for women who love style, comfort, and understand luxury. Presenting a blouse that beautifully blends timeless charm with modern sophistication. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, this blouse features a graceful silhouette that flexes with every body shape. The soft, breathable fabric drapes effortlessly, creating a gentle flow with every movement. Its finely tailored neckline adds a touch of refinement, while the delicate stitching along the sleeve give it a polished, high-end finish. Whether adorned with subtle pleats, intricate embroidery, or understated embellishments, each element of this without overpowering the look. The lightweight material ensures all-day comfort, making it ideal for both casual outings and more formal occasions. Paired with the trousers, skirts, or denim in transition seamlessly from day to night, offering endless stylish possibilities. This blouse is more than just a wardrobe piece, it's a statement of effortless grace, perfect for those who appreciate classic fashion infused with a modern twist. It adds sophistication, confidence, and refinement beauty to any outfit. Experience the perfect harmony of elegance and contemporary style with these execute blouses designed for the modern woman who crushes both comfort and touch. Fabric it flow effortlessly over the body, offering a silhouette that is flattering, graceful, and timeless. Every stitch speaks of careful craftsmanship, while the subtle details, be it delicate lace streams, intricate woven patterns, or understand embroidery, add a touch of refined artistry. This blouse neckline is thoughtfully designed to enhance femininity, while its tailored sleeves and perfectly structured hemline create a polished and poised look. Lightweight yet durable, it ensures all-day comfort without compromising style, making it equally suitable for professional settings, casual gatherings, or elegant evening affairs. Versatile in this styling, it can be paired seamlessly with tailored trouser, flowing skirt, or even chic denim, transforming any symbols into a statement of confidence and grace. This blouse is more than just a garment; it is an experience, expressions its personality, elegance, and timeless charm, an essential piece for a wardrobe that celebrates of art of dressing beautifully. Step into a world of elegance with this stunning blouse, where classic designs meets contemporary sophistication, crafted from luxurious soft flowing fabric. It drapes effortlessly, creating a silhouette that is both graceful and flattering. Every detail has been thoughtfully designed, from delicate embroidery that whispers of timeless artistry or to the subtle. The neckline executes refinement, perfectly framing the face, while the carefully tailored sleeves and hemline enhance the blouse's polished, high fashion appeal. Lightweight and breathable, it offers unparalleled comfort, making it ideal for all day wear, whether at the formal gatherings, a casual brunch, or an evening celebration. This blouse is a versatile wardrobe masterpiece. Pair it with an elegant trousers for a professional allure, with flowing skirts, charm, or evening with this sleek denim and modern sophistication. It is more than a garment; it is an expression of individuality, confidence, and understand luxury. Even every moment in this blouse speaks of grace, every detail reflects craftsmanship, and every look commands admiration. For the woman who seeks timeless beauty and modern elegance in one execute piece, this blouse is a must have, a celebration of style, poise, and feminine allure. Embrace the essence of elegance with this execute blouse, where timeless beauty meets modern sophistication. Crafted from the softest, most flowing fabric, it glides over the body with effortless grace, creating a silhouette that is both flattering and ethereal. Every detail tells a story: delicate embroidery dancing along the neckline, subtle pleats cascade like gentle waves, and fine stitching adds a whisper of artistry to every seam. The neckline frames the face with the sophistication, while tailored sleeves add a perfect structured hemline, elevate designs to refine perfection. Lightweight yet luxurious, this blouse effortless comfort without compromise, making it ideal for movements both intimate and grand. Each movement executes fluidity, every elegance reflects elegance, and every gesture speaks of quiet of confidence. Versatile beyond measure, it pairs flawlessly with tailored trousers for a professional statement, flowing skirt for a touch of chic denim for contemporary flair. This blouse transcends fashion, is an expression of grace, a celebration of feminine allure, and a statement of impeccably craftsmanship for the woman who values refinement, poise, and timeless beauty. This blouse is not merely worn; it is an experience. Let every detail captivate, every fold in hand, and every movement in this blouse become a statement of enduring style and sophistication. Introduction: a blouse that refines elegance, where timeless beauty meets modern sophistication. Crafted from the softness, most flowing fabric, it drapes over the body like liquid silk. Every movement graceful, every silhouette flattering. Delicate embroidery trace the neckline with freeing artistry. With every glance, subtle pleats cascade gently, creating a texture, depth, and charm. Fine stitching along the sleeves and hemline speaks the meticulous craftsmanship, a perfect harmony, detail of designs. The neckline frames a face with effortless poise, with tailored sleeves and a structured hemline elevate the blouse, refined perfection, lightweight, breathable, and luxurious. It ensures comfort without compromising, ideal for a quiet morning gathering, a professional meeting, or an enhancing evening affairs. Versatile, timeless, it pairs seamlessly with tailored trousers for applications, with flowing skirt, or with the chic denim for a modern elegance. This blouse is not merely worn, it is an experience. Every detail captivates, every fold enhances, every moment spent in it radiates grace, confidence, and feminine allure. For the woman who values refinement, who appreciates style, and who embodies elegance, this blouse, the masterpiece, a statement, a celebration of timeless fashion, impeccable design, and effortless beauty. The entrance step into a world where elegance meets artistry, where every detail tells a story. This blouse is more than fabric, it is a vision of grace, a celebration of timeless beauty and modern sophistication, crafted from the softest, the most following material. It drapes over the body, effortlessly creating a silhouette that is warm, flattering, ethereal, and refined. The details: notice the delicate embroidery along the neckline, a whisper of artistry, intricate and enchanting. Observe the subtle pleats cascading gently, adding depth and texture with every movement. Fine stitching along the sleeves and hemline reflects meticulous craftsmanship, a perfect blend of elegance and precision. Every seam, every fold, and has been thoroughly designed to elevate your style. The comfort and variability: lightweight, breathable, luxurious, soft. This blouse efforts comfort without compromise. Whether it is a sense of morning gathering, a professional meeting, or a dazzling evening affair, it moves with the flow with you and enhances every gesture. Every glance in this blouse captures attention. Every movement execute confident. Every movement becomes unforgettable. The styling and versatile pair it with tailored trouser for an statement of sophistication, or with the flowing skirt for a touch of charm, and even with the chic denim for a modern elegance. This blouse adapts, transforms, and complements, yet always stands out. It is a versatile, timeless, impeccably the essence. This is not merely blouse, it is an experience. Every detail captivates, every fold in hand, every moment spent in its radiates poise, confidence, and feminine allure. For the woman who embodies elegance, who creates style, who celebrates beauty, this blouse is a masterpiece, a statement, a celebration, a symbol of timeless fashion and effortless grace. Imagine a blouse that whispers elegance, a piece where every thread tells a story, where timeless beauty meets modern sophistication, crafted from the softest, most flowing fabric. It drapes over the body, effortlessly moving with grace, creating a silhouette that is flattering, ethereal, and undeniably refined. This is more than clothing, it is a statement, a celebration of artistry and feminine charm. For the very first glance, you sense the care, the precision, the thought poured into every detail. The details and embellishments look closer. The delicate embroidery along the neckline is a whisper of luxury, intricate, subtle, captivating. Pleats cascade gently like waves, adding depth and texture, transforming movement into poetry. Fine stitching along the sleeves and hemline is a testament of meticulous craftsmanship. Every seam perfectly placed, every fold designed to enhance elegance. Even a smallest embellishment, whether a shimmer of thread, soft lace, trim, or a hidden pattern, adds layer of sophistication, making this blouse a masterpiece of design, comfort, and elegance in motion. Yet, for all its grandeur, It is a light, breathable, luxurious, soft, allowing you to move freely, confidently, gracefully, perfect for screen, morning gathering, a professional meeting, or an evening affair that demands attention. It flows with your every gesture, responding to the rhythm of life, making every moment memorable. Pair it with effortlessly with tailored trousers for commanding elegance, with flowing skirt and femininity, or even with the chic denim for a modern, sophisticated twist. It is a versatility. It is unmatched. Its charm, it's timeless. It complements, enhances, and elevates every outfit, every occasion, every mood. But this blouse is more than fabric and thread. It is an experience. Every detail captivates, every movement in hand, every glance inspired admiration. It radiates poise, confidence, and feminine allure. It transforms not only the wearer but the very essence of the room around her. For the woman who treasures elegance, celebrates style, and embodies sophistication, this blouse is not merely worn, it is lived. It is a masterpiece, a statement, a timeless symbol of refinement, beauty, and grace, a true companion to every elegant journey she embarks upon. So let your wardrobe tell a story. Let every fold, every detail, every shimmer of this blouse speak the artistry, luxury of timeless fashion. Because in a world of ordinary, this blouse stands extraordinary, an ode of elegance, a celebration of femininity, a trust of masterpiece that belongs to you. Step into a world where fashion becomes art, where is blouse not just worn but experience, crafted from the softest, most flowing fabric. It graces the body with its flattering, ethereal, and utterly captivating. Every movement is poetry in motion, every glance a moment of admiration. Examine the delicate embroidery, tracing the neckline, intricate, refined, a whisper of timeless luxury. Observe the pleats, cascading like gentle waves, each fold adding depth and dimensions and silent sophistication. Fine stitching along the sleeves and hemline speaks of craftsmanship that is meticulous, deliberated designs to elevate the ordinary to extraordinary. Even subtle embellishment, a shimmer of thread, a lace trim, and a hidden of become statement of artistry, transforming this blouse into more than a garment. It is a masterpiece, lightweight, breathable, and luxury. Soft, it offers comfort without compromise, perfect for every occasion, be it is a screen, morning gathering, a professional meeting, or a gesture. Become an expression of elegance. Every movement exude confidence. Every presence leave in the undeniably mark. Pair it with tailored trousers for commanding sophistication, with flowing skirts, charm, or even with the chic denim or contemporary flair. Its versatility is unmatched. Its beauty timeless. This blouse is not merely complement your wardrobe. It elevates, transforms, it refines the emotional connection. But it's not just about style. It is about experience. Every thread, every detail, every shimmer renovates with personality, poise, and feminine allure. It becomes part of stories, a silent partner in confidence, a reflection of your elegance and taste. To wear it with the embody grace, to move in its captivate, to own its own, celebrate artistry itself. For the woman who creates sophistication, who honors timeless fashion, who embodies beauty and refinement, this blouse not simplify and additions to her wardrobe. It's the texture, every glance, and inspire every moment. It is enhance every experience become unforgettable. Let every detail speaks. Let every fold mesmerize. Let every shimmer tell the story of unparalleled elegance in a world of ordinary. This blouse extraordinary, a masterpiece, a celebration, a testament, and timeless style, and the ultimate expression of feminine grace. Behold a blouse that transforms the ordinary to extraordinary, where elegance is not just seen but felt, crafted from soft, most flowing fabric. It drapes like liquid silk, moving it with every breath, every step, every gesture. The silhouette flatters, enhances, captivates, a true testament of artistry and refinement. Notice the delicate embroidery, tracing the neckline, intricate, graceful, a whisper, timeless luxury. Observe the pleats cascading like gentle waves, adding dimension, depth, and cool sophistication. Every stitch along the sleeves and hemline reflects meticulous craftsmanship, a dedication to detail that returns the blouse into a masterpiece. Even the subtle embellishments, a glint of threads, a lace trim, a hidden pattern, tell a story of artistry, of beauty, of fashion. Lightweight, breathable, and luxurious, soft, this blouse moves with the life itself. Each gesture becomes poetry, each motion statement, perfect for screen.